Katanat Home Guards bat Civil Defence ka Jila Meghalaya hakan rotrek no pra arhajar arpulai. Kala Rakhe ka All India Home Guard and Civil Defence Raising Day arhajar arpulai ha ka headquarter parade ground ha Mawdiangdiang Shillong. Ha ka jing don rangkat Menteri Katanat Civil Defence bat Home Guards uba coming one umbon kumu kongsan. Ha bakrana ka negasngi Menteri uba coming one umbon ulai ka jingero asya Katanat Home Guards bakal ay gijing syakri ke bapura syakrim lang salang kamtam hakapor baka jela kamat gijing la kadai na gijing wan lan shop kibor kamariang ne kanu no gijing ja ke belami na gijing bakla kibrio ula kedau baka ne ka shnat trekam kadai ru kabal ay gijing arab cikitanat pulet la kadai bante la kam ya ki huri-hura ki bami ka jela ban pahara ha gijing elang bala penelong da kitanat ke sorkar pedeng bat sorkar jela bat kibai-kibai. Habak daw ka kamram jong ka State Disaster Response Force ulong bakani ka digasnat trekam kabala tebet bat ban penelong ya gino ki kam bat gijing pelat bat kumanwat bat ban pelat ki beri ku bangat akanu no gijing na gijing wan dan shop ki bor kamariang Nagaliang Director General ka Civil Defence bat Home Guards ikong ay nongrang habakran na kanega jingelang ilong bakatnat kedai kabuduna bahaki brio dari kedai katnat ke bamju kenran dian banetrelang bat kibor ke jela dan kibor ke distrik ban pentikna ban penpoi ke jingerap syakipat ba hagani ke sengi rengkat ka paret Malaysia menta da ki kenhon ka State Disaster Response Force ka Border Wings Home Guards Battalion ka Combined District Contingent bat ke Home Guard Volunteers Contingent. Bat ikani kejing Rakhe ke Raising Day lapni pat baru ikrukam IJ hikai da ke Rescue Operation ka State Disaster Response Force ladawan kejing ja kum kejing ke Jumai. Hagini sengi la yo ru ban ai kusnam syaki arpu arngot ki officer bat ki pulit Home Guards kum shibenta ban ai kejing itu kejing syakri jengki da ki kusnam kum ka President Home Guards and Civil Defence Medal ka Director General of Civil Defence MHA District and Commendation Certificate but ke Director General Civil Defence and Home Guards Meghalaya Commendation Certificate.
Response Force led by Sub-Inspector Romario B. Marang from State Disaster Response Force Shillong. The second platoon approaching the saluting dais is a mixed contingent and is commanded by Sub-Inspector Transley Dinsong from District Training Centre Nongstoin. The third platoon approaching the saluting dais is the Border Wing Home Guards Battalion led by Sub-Inspector Abjit Hajong from Border Wing Home Guards Battalion, Shillong. The fourth platoon approaching the dais is that of the Home Guards volunteer from Tura, led by Sub-Inspector Tabor Langkurba, District Training Centre, William Nagar. Leading the brass band of the Border Wing Battalion is Havaldar Prafulla Basumatri.
I am sure that in future also, these officers and men will continue to serve the department with great sincerity and devotion to the duty. The award of these medals, commendation deeds and commendation certificate should serve as inspiration to order to perform their official duty in a more diligent manner. The twin organizations of Civil Defence and Home Guards have over the year render human service to society. They are primarily community-based and volunteer organizations where the spirit of service is of the highest essence. These two organizations have played a significant role in providing assistance in many emergencies and whenever any calamity, both natural or man-made, has occurred. I am also happy to learn that during the current year, the Office of Civil Defence and Home Guard has imparted training on disaster management search and rescue and medical first aid to about 7,110 local public and students in urban and rural areas. NGOs, school and college students, government, officials, etc. During the year 2023, 2,531 Home Guards volunteers and 350 civil defense volunteers were imparted training. As many as 1,391 trained Home Guards volunteers are currently engaged by various government departments, PSU and private agencies. This has helped the concerned volunteers in earning some income while providing security to the concerned department and agencies. Finally, I would like to assure the Civil Defense and Home Guard Organization of the government full-fledged support in all their endeavors in providing better and more effective service to the society.
Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. For it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Please swallow your pride if I hear things you need to borrow. For no one can feel those of your